Hi everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies Collaboration 2021, where each month a group of us follows a theme. And this month our theme is at the beach, and we use any kind of lovely little lady stamps and items. So I'm not going to run down the list because there's more than I know. But I tend to use Gorgeous Girls, and this month is no exception, because that's mostly what I have for lovely little ladies. And this one is called number 41, Little Fishes. And you can't really see it there, but she's sitting on like a rock or a sand hill or something, and she's got her toes dipped in the water on this ocean in the background. So I thought that went. I just made one card. I also used one of these things. What are they called? We call them Memories and More cards at Stampin' Up, but these are just cut aparts. Project Life is what I was trying to think of. Those type of card. I used one that was a 4x6 from Simple Stories, Sunshine and Happiness. It's an older thing because I've had it for a few years now, and I've had a few sheets of it. And I also used these two layering circles from Stampin' Up, a plain and a regular. And I used the sentiment, "These are the moments we'll look back on with joy," on the inside of the card. And the only other thing, two other things I used were assorted Memories and More cards and envelopes. I had two more of the white larger ones in this one pack, so I used one. I guess I had 3 or 4 more. Anyway, I used one of those with an envelope. And lastly, this Pool Party sheer ribbon. Yeah, sheer ribbon 3/8 inch, which is current in the Stampin' Up annual catalog. So here we go. This is my card. This is the cut apart. I didn't really do anything to it, and then I just put the pool party down here, and then there's my little lady, and I put pool party on the entire front of the card, and then stamped in pool party. These are the moments we'll look back on with joy on the inside. Yeah, it's cute with the little fishes and a crab. So she's at the beach, dipping her toes in water. Maybe she's at the bay or something, right? I didn't put a sentiment on the outside. I just couldn't figure out placement. And yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's kind of plain. I might put some gems on yet. I'm not sure. Maybe not. I don't know. So yeah, that's really all I have. I haven't done anything with the envelope. So be sure to check out everyone else that's in the collab as a small group, and see what kind of lovely ladies they've used this month for at the beach. And then also come back next month for, let's see, what are we doing next month? For September will be Autumn Colors, which I think will be a lot of fun. All right, take care. Have a great day.